Center jersey number 5, Laurero. Small forward jersey number 92, Bumatay. Power forward jersey number 12, Jose. And a guard jersey number 4, Tanak. And from the home team, Team Rizal Conquerors Senior Division, starting at power forward jersey number 4, Kapuno. Small forward jersey number 7, Irangan. And a point guard jersey number 28, Sibulbera. And a center jersey number 13, Canyo. And a shooting guard, Pride from Santa Monica, jersey number 20, Jasper Bayupan. Jose Anancayo, Lupao Whitley, here comes Talag. Bumatay, Bryson Bray, Jimenez, and Bryson Bray ball Jose, put back, first basket from Team Lupao. Back to Bulbera, and Payupain with the ball, kicks out to Mapuyo, and Rangan pull up game. Pwede para sa team. And here comes Talag. And inside pass, Calibre, Signalim, si Jose. Kabulak to Payupay. Back to Kabulak. And Kabulak spin. Kabulak attack the ring, too strong. And offensive rebound underneath to Rangan. And Rangan running shot short. Ganyo, close race. And gets the bucket by Ganyo. Bumatay to the corner. And left corner 3, right corner, Jimenez. And Irangan Dragomir to Sibulbera. And now pass for up. And ang pride ng Santa Monica, Jasper. And set corner to De La Cruz. Back to Jose, baseline. And I'll take a shot based on the target. Rebound by Sibulbera. Payupay again, catch it on, reverse, and Tadag still by Kabunok. Sibulbera. And Sibulbera waiting for teammates. Payupay again to Sibulbera, pick. Sibulbera goes inside, and Ganyo, and a too strong rebound by Jose. Here comes De La Cruz. And Talag extra pass to the corner, pass through the Jose, pick, and spin, and puts it up, puts it in. Payupay to Irangan, air ball. And a big rebound by the way ng Country Seal, André Jimenez. Ganyo for the way back. Noted on the target. And Williams Talag. Talag spin. And to Bumatay at the corner. Wake up. And Talag for the follow-up. Sibulbera. And a fight to open man. Shot on the 10. Step back to Payupay beyond the arc. In and out. And Jose still by Kabunok. Big answer. Big release by Kabunok. Bumatay wide open 3. And miss Laurero. And gets the bucket underneath by Laurero. 11-10 score, 1 point lead, Team Rizal. Bounce pass to the middle to Kabunok. And it goes inside, and that one goes. Pass given one, Paolo Jus. And Talag from top of the key. Bingo! Ray! Kabulok too strong. And rebound by Talag. Talag behind the back. And a body on the floor. Save the ball and shoot by Sibulbera. Kabulok back to Sibulbera. And a drop pass. Alier too strong. And a power by Kabulok. And Talag saved the ball. Now they're not big, and I try to sidestepping move. Whoa! Payupay to Irangan. Kabunok back to Silvera. And a pass from the 2 ground from the strike. And a way up. Laurero running and a step back. Pumbara, X-Pass to above. Fires from 3. And a bouncing the ball. The give on target. Silvera to Kabunok. Behind the back. Kabunok drop pass inside. What a nice big Ganyo. And no look pass, check by Irangan to Mayupay. Silvera to Ganyo inside. And a hook shot again. Patay Bolivar. And a pull back. And a Tadag. Tadag again beyond the arc. From way downtown, the ring. Irangan, what a nice move. Tadag again. And another 3 coming from Talag. 1.8 kill result. And Kabunok penetrate. And easy penetrate by Kabunok. And Kabal binababang muna. Kabal finding the open man to Laureno. Laureno and take a shot, in and out. And intercept by Habal. And Habal to the open man, done it again. And this time is a good rebound by Canyo. Silvera to Kabunok. Here comes Silangan, baseline. And legs good. Passing in 1. Habal gets the ball and inside pass, acrobatic, diving break. And a one-less connection from Team Lupao. Pai, beyond the arc, Jimenez. And save the ball by Baroga. Intercept by Silvera. Follow up, too strong. And Jose to Tadag. And a Tadag long run. De La Cruz. Pass outside, 1-on-3. Three down to 1. Sekarang naman ang Team 0.7.6. Silvera. And a pass to the turnaround, Jay Irangan. And pitch is good. And ang pumatay. And Baroga, extra pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, launching the break. In and out. And ball by Silvera, gets the ball by Kabunok at the break. Dilipat pasanan. 40 seconds remaining. 6 on score. And Habal, double defender. To Bumbaray. And double pass at the corner. Quick off. Irangan. Drop the miss to Silvera. Ito si Stillman, Silvera. And basket. Habal to Baroga. And battle for the ball. Baroga again. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. And Talag wide open 3. Short. And the ball by Stillman. And a check by Jose. And a ball pass. Passing in 1. Silvera. And to her teammates. Good from Ruiz and ball by Jose. Bottom of the profile. And a ball across the lane. Puts it up. Puts it in. Bottom to Habal. And Habal. To the Piman Pumbay. And another 3. De La Cruz. And Habal paid. Habal. And it goes inside to the other side. Out the corner. Too strong. And that should be called by Tadag. Pass to the middle. Cover 0. And And he comes to his Sulpera, Gabriel, at the green. Patrick! And Jose to Parola. Habang Dimitris Kade. Kalibay na ngayon and a crossover to Parola again. And a two-stroke rebound by SSS Sulpera. William Solis, mouse pass to Bruno. And a Bordaca, Testiman. Sulpera. And we go, there's a rebound, is going to put back from our close range. Sulpera. And next pass to Ranqueño, baseline is going to Kaburo, and again basket. Parutan global. And the ball against by Sulpera, set screen by Jose. No look pass to the other side, and again, partial break, in and out. Special rebound, Parola, put back, Parola. Second quarter, and here's Luis from the outside, and side step to Sulpera. Kabulok with the ball, and Polaman Luis, 8 shoot, and Ranqueño for the answer. And Setoban, and Luis Kane goes inside, and jumper miss. Best rebound Jose to Bumay, and off the mark, rebound by Garuso to Kabulok. Kabulok from coast to coast, yes sir! And a tag from the strike. Inaw, tipping by Jose. Kabulok, ex-pass to Bilangan, step on for 3. And off the mark, rebound by Datag to Bumay. Bumay, swing pass to the loose, step back to Bumay from down the knee. And miss on the target. Kabulok to Iran, back to Kabulok. Payubay, Berkeley. Kaya Cruz to Hamal. And a ball hanging in the air. Pete. No foul and Datag. They bring the blessing a storm. And a layup's good. And it's again by Gaston. Gaston on the break, 3-1. And a back-to-back points by Gaston. Habal gets the ball. And Habal. And a Bruder. Kinis. Big rebound. And still play up Payupay. Payupay, no pass. Irama. Payupay to Ilangan. And a baseline. Reverse. Chelsea line by Datag. And still by Datag. And a Datag from those who knows waiting for teammates. Kicks out Habal. Step back. And I put it up. But 3. Habal. 54. 49 on the score. Payupay. And a check by Jose. And Habal. Habal. Acrobatic shot. Take it. Gaston spin move to Payupay. Kabulok back to Payupay. Kandaman. Private Santa Monica. De La Cruz to set. And a shit pass to the order. Now Reno, side stepping loop. Short. Rebound by Caduso to Irangan. Get there on one. Habang pa na yung Irangan. And Williams Manoga. Laumeno, gets the ball, Laumeno to De La Cruz. And De La Cruz for 3. Yes sir. Iran and for the Lobos iron shots right by Mumbai to set. To set to Laumeno. And Buhanay kasi ball to De La Cruz. May number 3. In and out, and rebound by Canyo. Gaston to Iran. Iran take a shot. And quick release by Irangan. Baruga goes back to Baruga. And Baruga goes inside. And Lusumal still. Payubay at the break. Payubay Santa Monica. Payubay. And Williams na pass na bigay ito ng puno. And Gatusa, Rose Rings, underneath the skin. Jose to Laureno. And Laureno again, attack the ring. And shooting here is good by Laureno. Ang Gatusa. And Dandan, behind the back, guarding by the score. Dandan. And he's the ball by the corner, still by Payupay. The man on still there. Irangan, and loose ball, go again, back to Irangan, pull up Jimmy, too strong. And I'm going to miss by Pumaray to Abal. Abal is very good. And I'm going to shoot to Tumisal, Sibul Pera, kicks out. Pick up Irangan, back to Mabulo. Drop pass inside, to Sibul Pera, to Sibul Mabulo na. And back to the winner. And still by Katusho. Sibul Pera running. And again, from close range mix on target. And I was worked by Laureno. Laureno, two guts. Give. Sibul Pera waiting for teammates. And a boss pass, Irangan Pera, pick and roll. And Chadad. Take the shot, jumper, miss. And a drops the work by Irangan. Counter still by Hawan. And a mouse pass inside to the middle, Dad. Basket. Kampuna. And Liam's good. And intercept. Patak first Lauren. Wide open play. And pressure rebound, big rebound by Lauren, step up. De La Cruz, air ball. And a usual pump the miss. To Kampuna, inside pass. And the Bears Vegas. And the opportunity. Iraq. Kampuna, easy basket. And drop pass inside, Jose Wilwish. And William Salam. Swing pass to Pumaray. And Pumaray take a shot, hit the board. Pumaray. Kampuna, reverse pass. And pass rebound played by Stella Norbury. Too short, Irangan. Get on target. And a big rebound by Laureno. Sink the ball, William Samal. And about cross the lane, behind the back pass to Pumaray. Pass over there to Jose. Sibul Pera to Irangan. And easy basket, 22. And here's Salad, pass it open man, Pumaray play. And still bring up to Payupay at the break. Too strong, good back, SLZ. And another good ball, big starter. Sets free by Laureno to Laureno. Shot number 10. Sweet pass to Jose, partial break. And this is space, rebound by Payupay, see the ball by Kampuna. Kampuna for the cut. Payupay! Wow! Ganda naman! Sa taling run, hindi kayo mag-drag. And air ball on the target. Kampuna. And it's good. And Dadan goes inside, short. Payupay block the wrist to Kampuna. Sibul Pera, Ahil, play SLZ, and again. For the second time, SLZ. And Nabal. Tanang pick, Tanang. And ang bullet J, nagit. Put back by Jose. Habang one shot. And ang Kapuno. Using the board by the Tanang, 1-3. Ready! Ilan ang babawin ng tres, too strong. Meron siya top turn off, 15 seconds remaining. And about 8 seconds still. And at the break, Kapuno. Kapuno to Ganyo. Ganyo another, put back, SROC. Baroga to Hawan. Back to Baroga, Super Sudara. And after the three. And after the Kapuno to pass, single by Galano. And SROC, underneath, negative. SROC again, short. De La Cruz, short. And this is low power. Passing them up. Pumaray to Baroga. Left corner three, too strong. And a reload by Kapuno. Kapuno kicks out to Galano, Pate, and Galano try for the basket, negative, big rebound, Joel Kapuno, put back. Back to one, bounce pass to Loreno, now Loreno beyond the arc, and a rebound by Kapuno. Galano bounce pass, SROC, reverse steal. Galano and extra pass, right corner, wing up, put back, Flores using the board. De La Cruz to Loreno. And to Pumaray, to De La Cruz again. To Baroga, side step for three, too strong. Here comes Galano. SROC to Ruiz. Bounce pass to Flores. And Professor Mindavid para by SROC.
Panalo na naman.
Galano. Raquello back to Galano. And again, rebound by Laureno to De La Cruz. Laureno for three. Yes, sir. Win. Flores from mid-range again. Put back down again. Rebound by Baroga. Laureno again. Jimenez. Raquello to Flores. And additionally by a block. Eight to shoot. And big up. De La Cruz for three. And a shot block by Pumaray, still with Laureno. This is started by De La Cruz. 3 minutes remaining, final quarter. Special rebound, Daya fadeaway shot. Jose Elgin. Galano, layup is good. De La Cruz, leading out.
Loreno. Pasok. Yeah.
Concede. And that's the regulation score. 109-82, winner by Rizal Conquerors.